In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot sales add-on for Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're looking to optimize your sales emails or integrate your CRM smoothly, this setup is a breeze. Let's walk through the process together so you can start leveraging HubSpot directly within Outlook. First things first, you'll want to head over to HubSpot's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you may need to register for an account, which is quite straightforward. Just follow the prompts on the homepage, making sure to have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the settings icon, usually depicted as a small gear. This is where we need to start. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a page filled with various settings options. On this page, look for the email option. If you hover over it, the text should highlight, indicating that it's clickable. Go ahead and click on email. This will take you to a specific section where we're focusing on setting up our integration. Next, you'll need to download the email extension. You should see this option available right after selecting the email tab. Click download the email extension, and it will begin the process of integrating HubSpot with your Outlook application. After initiating the download, the next step is to specifically click on Download HubSpot Sales Add-in for Outlook. This is vital if you're operating on a Windows or PC system, since it ensures that the add-in is compatible with your platform. Just follow the prompts to download and install. If you encounter any on-screen instructions, make sure to follow them carefully to avoid any hurdles in the integration process. Finally, after everything is installed, it's crucial to verify that the add-on has properly integrated. To do this, look for the Check If Installed option. Clicking this will typically run a quick validation process to confirm that everything is set up correctly. It'll help you troubleshoot any issues on the spot so you can address them before continuing. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the HubSpot Sales add-on for Microsoft Outlook. Remember, having these tools integrated can drastically improve your workflow by keeping all your sales-related communications consolidated, making sure you're organized and effective. If you encounter any issues during this setup process, make sure to check HubSpot's support page, as they have a plethora of resources and a helpful support team ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your newly integrated tools.